Hey there, viewers. Did you know that colors can spark emotion? Have you ever wondered why your favorite color is your favorite? Research has shown that colors can affect the emotions and energy level of an individual. When it comes to home decor, the more you understand colors and how they relate to your emotions, the easier it will be to use them in your space. In today's video, we'll talk about the psychology of colors and how to use them effectively in your house. How does the color orange relate to you? What about the psychology behind blue? We will discuss all of this and more. The psychology of room colors is an important part of your daily life. When you live in a house, you want to choose colors that suit your taste and personality. The color of the walls tend to change the shape and size of the furniture as well as the room itself. You don't want a shade that hurts the mood of your room. Otherwise, you're going to get depressed every time you walk in there. Choosing the right shade is easy when you know the basics of color. The trick is to combine the colors you like and make them into something you're comfortable with within your house. Here are some colors that you should take into consideration. Number 1. Orange. This bright color is associated with creativity, adventure, and communication. Orange is considered to be one of the most stimulating and inspiring colors on the wheel. It radiates affection and joy, provides emotional strength during tough times, and also stimulates feelings of optimism and rejuvenation. Orange can also express spontaneity. Research shows that the choice of a suitable color for your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or bathroom can actually help the room function. According to psychology, it's recommended you use orange in office spaces. This is to inspire creativity and enthusiasm as we work on projects. You can always go bolder with bright orange. This will light up the walls and white furnishings to create the workspace you've always dreamed of. On the other hand, if you're trying to lose weight, don't paint your kitchen orange. This bold color is said to increase your appetite. You'll only want to eat more. Also, avoid using orange colors in your bedroom. This energetic color isn't what you need for a healthy sleep. Do you like the color orange? Have you painted anything in your house orange? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our bestie community. Number 2. Light blue. Studies have proven that color and light have an effect on physiology, psychology, cognitive performance, and hormone production in humans. Blue, especially light shades of blue, brings on feelings of peace and serenity. The light blue color is known to reduce stress and create a sense of calm and relaxation. It can encourage a non-toxic and safe environment. For those who don't know, the light blue color represents familiarity and healing. For these reasons, blue is the color that works in your bedroom. It leaves you feeling relaxed and wanting to go to sleep. Who wouldn't want to relax around colors that remind them of clear blue skies and calm ocean waves? If you don't like the idea of painting your room blue, try adding blue accents. Adding a stylish blue sofa can be the perfect alternative. You can put your feet up and relax after a long day. Feel like you're missing out? Make sure you join our millions of viewers by hitting that subscribe button and staying up to date on all of our great bestie content. Number 3. Green. A recent study showed that green living rooms bring on a sense of neutrality and happiness among the participants. While most of us don't spend a lot of time thinking about the color of our rooms, it does affect us on a daily basis. It can influence us in many ways depending on our age, gender, and current emotions. Certain colors provoke a general reaction from people, which is why choosing the right colors when decorating is so important. Let's take a closer look at what the green color can do to your room. Green is strongly associated with nature, representing balance, harmony, and growth. It also promotes health and rejuvenation. Green is linked with the renewal and restoration of energy. It simply makes you feel happy. It gives you that much-needed boost when you're physically, mentally, or emotionally drained. Most of us are used to getting up early for work, not knowing how you'll handle the day ahead. This is why we suggest you paint your bathroom green. This is exactly the kind of color you want to see when you head into your morning shower. Something that'll give you that boost. But this isn't the boost you want in your dining room. The bright green color will leave you feeling energetic and less likely to eat. If you don't want to paint the whole room green, some small green accessories will do just fine. Maybe put a green vase in your bathroom for some flowers. You'll have that wonderful fresh smell first thing in the morning. While deciding a color for your interior, always start by asking yourself a few questions. What kind of mood do I want to create in this room? What color will help create it? If you need help answering these questions, take some inspiration from magazines and websites. Also, be mindful of your textiles. Let the rug, blanket, and pillow define your color scheme. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Are you having trouble managing your lifestyle? Watch and learn 7 lifestyle suggestions according to your profession. Now back to our talk on colors and interior. Number 4. Yellow. Yellow is the color of reason and intellect. In addition to its cheerful tone, the color gives you a sense of focus and determination. Yellow brings us hope, happiness, and joy. It's known to awaken clarity and concentration. Research states that it's important for an individual to first acquaint themselves with the qualities of color. This means the hue, color value, and intensity. Yellow promotes enthusiasm and is known to improve your mood on a bad day. If you're under stress or need an energy recovery, try painting your living room yellow. Can you think of a room in your house you'd rather avoid? I know mine, the laundry area. It's a great idea to add yellow to the laundry room. This will make washing and drying a little less boring. You can be bold, use an accent wall, or spray hints of yellow throughout the room. This will add the focus and clarity that you need to work with your largest pile of dirty clothing. Want to go all out? Use wallpaper in your laundry room and take your decorating scheme to the next level. When was the last time you were actually excited to wash your clothes? Number 5. Pink. I know, pink is not everyone's thing. Traditionally, pink has been known as more of a feminine color. These days, it's becoming increasingly more popular among men. If you'd like a new color for your room, pink is known for its compassionate aura. It creates a sense of light playfulness wherever it appears. Pink instills kindness and empathy in people. It awakens feelings of care and affection. Research proves that the use of a specific shade of pink can have a soothing effect on people who are angry and agitated. The color also represents generosity. It brings warmth, positivity, and hope. So where's the best place in the house to put pink? Do you have someone visiting you for the next while? Try the guest room. The guest room always needs a feeling of warmth and hospitality. Pink is the perfect color to make your guest feel welcome, whether it's for one night or a few months. Remember not to go too hard on the pink, otherwise your space will look more like a nursery. Just a thought. It's important to choose happy, positive, and inspiring colors for your home. The right mood in each room will bring out the best in you, as well as your family members. Have I sparked your interest? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more color-related videos, shall we? Here's what you need to know. Check out what your favorite color says about you, or how about 23 DIY life hacks and apartment decorating ideas. Go ahead and click one, or better yet, watch both, and learn how the right color makes all the difference in life. Are you or anyone you know planning a room makeover? Well, tell us your colors you're using and the idea behind them in the comments below.